Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get AI on your WhatsApp. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to go to your browser. I'm just going to go to my Google application and then we can search for Microsoft Copilot for WhatsApp. This one. Okay, and you can open up the Microsoft support.microsoft.com. Open up this website and here you can scroll down and then you can click on short link. Use this short link to start chatting with Copilot instantly on WhatsApp. Just tap on that and the link will bring you to your WhatsApp application on your mobile phone. Okay, and here you can send hi Copilot like this and the AI will respond to you. And for instance, I'm going to ask the AI to create an essay. So I'm just going to type in create an essay for me with climate change topic, 4 paragraphs. Just like this, and I'm going to click on send. Okay, and we just need to wait for a moment. The AI will automatically generate an essay for us. And you can also ask the AI to generate an image for you guys, but wait, I'm still waiting for the AI to respond. Okay, and this is the result. This is the AI, the essay that the AI has created for me. And for instance, I'm going to ask the AI to create an image about, for example, butterfly in the forest, in the magical forest. And you can click on the send button. Okay, and hold on. Okay. Right guys, the AI is still generating image for me. We just need to wait. Okay, and this is the result. I'm going to click on download and now the image has been downloaded. Okay guys, and that's how we can get AI on WhatsApp from the Microsoft Copilot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!